looking at? He just pulled up to my house. Oh, nah. Is that a trapezoid?
What it do, homie?
What you doing, the geometry dash? What in hell are you driving?
Come on, dog. This the Tesla Cybertruck. I got it for free from my boy Elon.
You ain't kicking it with Elon. Why you pulling up in the Bionicle whip?
Hey, I'm bossed up, bruh. This shit is electric.
Bossed up. You getting no bitches off that shit. Call that the NBA. No bitches attached.
Man, I get mad bitches with this.
Nah, that's B&I. Bitches not included. Elon got you fucked up with that car. You must be delivering refrigerators.
Fuck outta here.
He downloaded this shit off Roblox. You need to run that hoe off a bridge.
If you broke, just say that.
I'm broke. I ain't even gonna go there. This motherfucker woke up and decided to whip the Polygon.